Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are a business owner struggling to complete a video verification for Google listings, then this is the right video for you. So firstly, let me show you an example on how to record this video and then I'll tell you all the important points for this Google verification. So when it comes to Google verification, first thing in your video that you have to show is the location of your business. So always start your video by showing the exterior of your business. Also, I would recommend you to try showing the street signage or your neighboring business or any famous landmark to prove your location. So once you are done with proving the office location, the next thing that you're supposed to do is prove Google that you are the authorized person who is running this business. This can be proved in multiple ways. So, if your business has an office, enter the office using the ID card and clearly show this in the video that you are recording. Or, if you have a store, you can walk towards the cash register, open it, and prove this authorization. So, the last thing that we are supposed to prove in this video is by showing the evidence that our business exists. So for this, what you can do is you can just show the inside of your business. So you can just show the people working there, the office signage that you have, and other things. So always make sure not to show any confidential information on this video. So for demonstrating purpose, I have break down this video and record it. So always remember when you are recording this video, this should be in a single recording. Make sure to record a video which is more than 30 seconds. And always ensure that you are covering the 3 points that I have mentioned. If you have any queries related to video verification, please drop them in the comments. And for more such videos, follow my channel and hit that subscribe button.